Atiefo ni adofo yɛde nsɛm Europe enso etimi eba Bet Power Premier League match day 9 enso etimi abana wie ma bia so no etima kroso sisi yehu bia nsusai ede board hono enso ebetimi afa yɛde results IPM nyina enso etimi ede ebram aka just one game I was say eno eba so eno ye great Olympics game amuso betimi abone nyambo channel yɛde ho nsɛm nyina enso etimi ba Asante Kotoko fans no masa so asoja agu prosper na te OGUM so oma attack na yɛde ho nsɛm nyina enso etimi be show bi ama wo de fans no amuso etimi na bia so no etimi akroso kama odi anasa be subscribe na fi wase na do comment no enso etimi aba nsɛm ne dɔso ebekɔ gine nyina so etimi ede abraya na tiefo ne games a ekɔ no ho nsɛm ete say na results no and so etime koye the shockingly na prosper nate OGUM ene Karim Zito ere ko bani ewo Kumanse Baba Yara Sports Stadium na kyese enye izekra na game no ekwaso no mepata Kotoko etna fie antimi anshebi ama Dreams FC etwa makaba kwam so antimi anti Abdul Aziz Isa antimi say the oligo and so ere ma tima ye fane say Dreams FC Karim Zito side no ama so etimi twa Kotoko chika pew ama so antimi ante fans ne boafu ye de ho nsem nyina enso ebetwa that game no Abdul Aziz Isa anetime eje man of the match no esi na si said Isa for no de omo so emodemo ayade soni enso Ghana ye Bet Power Premier League ma fe uram enso ewani e fa ne se brekum e wana brekum Chelsea etena fie eche Samates etwa ne kapio ama no so antimi ante dramani awua ane board the oligo edema brekum Chelsea ama that game no cross ama brekum no the party brekum Chelsea enso etimi ase 1-0 and so etimi akoso bibiani Gold Stars urama ewa dance park bibiani Gold Stars tenafie etimi shebako ama Accra Lions enso etimi eshebako boy iPhone se yaya dramani enso etimi ede panity eshe kama ana David Odro enso etimi etima club iPhone se Accra Lions ma bia so etimi cross bibiani Gold Stars 1 Accra Lions 1 dramani yaya she go ma bibiani Gold Stars ana David Odro ede ma Accra Lions eno enso etimi cross uram enso ewoni efone se sunan eho ana bofo akata no enso etimi etenaye na that game na emu enso etimi she na emu enso ede ye share game na say just 4 minutes and as a boy I find say Saka Dauda enso etimi ebo first goal ere ma etimi I find say bofo akwa ma bia so enso etimi cross wa ye de 170 boy na I find say amurama Saka Dauda ebo first goal ere ma etimi I find say bofo akata no ye wurama ama Nations FC no enso antimi ante dakana na game na cross no Emmanuel Sakwa de ekodi red card edema tima ye fani say Nations FC aje say yes so ye break it the nsem nyina so etimi ere aba enti Nations FC no the party no omuje red card ebra omu so etimi lu so enso woni ye fani say suna coronation park but for katano enso timi shomo 1-0 bibia so etimi kuse inse opanyina if I said Dr. Kwame Cheno, the Timono enema ensara enkoye emfa wamusa. I didn't say na ensum etimi eba Heart of Lions, Pando Heart of Lions, amuchena fi el Hallway Stadium, ensum etimi elusi, ebra mushaba kom amani if said Jana, and so etima to Kevin Obim about first goal edema Jana boy I finish Isaac Minta at the second goal etwa so ansana boya ye finish Mustafa Yakubu etikana the ama Pando Heart of Lions and so 8 across na say enye is a Heart of Lions 1 Adjana Stars 2 and we are share cross so Kevin Obey and Afri Isaac Minta about 2 goals for Adjana and then boy I finish Mustafa Yakubu and so ete kanaba ko the Emma Heart of Lions and no Adjana cross so Legon Cities etna fie Ewak Sports Stadium and so masa and Emma ankoye ama Legon Cities ebra yes team I finish Medema SC and so a chomo eka mieno amamoso entimi anti Evans Adote and so etima ya jumane kama bibia so etima koso eri ama Evans Adote ni tima ye fane se eye Medema acha game no ekoso boy aye fane se eye Mamudu Kalamadin and so etima bo first goal eri ma tima fane se Medema ansane eto so ama Kofi Asma and so etimi ebo second goal no eri ama tima fane se Medema na onu se ye wura mu game no ekoso no God knows Zakpazu and so di red card eri ma tima ye fane se eye Medema ntina game se kokos no hwe red cards menu ana PM Nations FC AD red card Emmanuel Sakwede ana boy I fane se God knows Zakpazu ono susuna kai eri ma tima fane se Medema AD red card no ekoso Raw Tamale United etna fie and so Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium our Tamale and so entimi anshebi ama Bechem United and so entimi anshebi eno ade no so ekoso wa say ye di enwunsem nyina and so etmeba na uram and so say no say na de no so etme ko Ghana ye Bird Power Premier League no match day 9 aka just one game I was say no so etme eba so a great Olympics anytime friends in Swatraman and ebo nyambo tina ewa Accra Sports Stadium 4 p.m. na that game no so etme eba so ise sani lecture no enso etimi eko uram ewo tima ye fane se Adana Stars edikan ewo 18 points etosom yenu inswaterman ewo 16 miensa bofa kwatana ewo 14 9 Samates 13 enum Mediama SC ewo 13 oko insa 6 position no Brekum Chelsea ewo 13 7th and some Great Olympics with 12 points 8 Bechem United with 12 points 9 Bibiani Gold Stars ewo 11 points 10 Dreams FC our 11 after over 12 na Raw Tamale United amo our 11 13 Accra to Folk and our 10 points plus 1 goal and after Kotoko the 14th position and our near fun set 10 points minus 1 goal in team between had to Folk and Kotoko no a 1 goal different and a bit that had to Folk and Kotoko bet only had to Folk one outstanding game I must bet my bono Nyambua Wednesday and so etitima ye furnish a Pandora to Flyers and some when you fence a Ho Sports Stadium after 15 position and some team furnish a Lions our 10 points 16 a Carrera and so our 9 points 17 Nations FC our 8 points and after Heart of Lions a trap to our Jack 6 points into another 18 position and some so 18 Elcoso I did one seminar and some 18 Eba na game no kana we no me patch out not just say any is a crowd prosper not OGUM and in some Etuja sa and so and so penye fene se Karim Zito and so like and the man of the match and so ekoma boy fene se Abdul Aziz Isa and so etimi ekasa in some odupi Etuja na prosper na te OGUM say onom we very disappointed and so boys no Asante finish no and so there's a problem kese pa and so etimi ekoso face no sai and send me to just supporters no almost so enkoso na omo entimi emfa support no and so ema club nyambo a omo game omo so betima bono omo na Samates Kotoko next game or say omo so etimi bo James FC coach no Alpanyina fane se Karim Zito and so ekasa wase game no na a difficult game for Tima ye fane se Dreams FC na great performance and the boys no and so a boy na no say Dreams next game a great Olympics baso yankotie both coaches no per the post match interview no tamo so etimi edituja.
How would you sum up the game entirely?
Very disappointing.
What didn't work right for Asante Kotoko today?
Our finishing.
You've gone 3 games now without a win. What is the general feeling among the playing body and the technical team at the moment?
You know, it's not good. Automatically, it's not good. You don't win, the feeling is bad. Right, so that's it.
You want to say something to the fans?
Oh, I mean, it's a league. We are ongoing. They should still support the team. We'll work harder and make sure that we make them proud. That's all.
The trip to Samatex will be very difficult. How do you intend to approach that one?
We'll talk about it when we get there.
Better luck next time.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Gorman, on your victory, but tell me about the game. How did this victory come about?
I think it was a very difficult. I must be very honest. Well stretched.
Technically a stroke game. I told you earlier in the pre-match that is a game that we have to manage the 4 moments of the game with the ball and without the ball. The first 50 minutes of the first half, I think we were in absolute control. John Entry tested the goalkeeper. That lad pulled some amazing save. Then Kotoko took over the second 50 minutes. They also tested our goalkeeper. The defense was very, very stable. In the last 50 minutes, we came again and then we scored from a brilliant set piece. I mean, the body shape, the technique, the precision was spot on. Then we went into the break. We came from the break. We made some few adjustments. We decided that we need to defend this goal and defend it, and also play more on the quick transition, which we had good moments, which we should have maybe added the second goal. But I think on the whole, it was a very, 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 great performance for the last, for the goalkeeper, the defense, the sound that came on, the attitude on the day, the mentality was on the day was to make sure that Dreams FC win this game. You're back to winning ways after dropping points at home. You play against Great Olympics next. What does this win do for your side going to that game? I think it's a very, very positive tonic going into the next game, especially when the last home game we lost. So this game is going to galvanize us. It's going to give us a lot of momentum, and we come against a Great Olympics. And I believe that game will also be a very interesting game at the Daewoo Sports Stadium. How special is the goal scorer to this side? I mean, very, very crucial. The goals are the oxygen, the goals are the blood. And this was part of the game plan because we decided to create problems for them closer to the box. And that was what he did. He picked the ball, he created that situation, and he took the ball. A confident young chap, as he look at the ball, solid. I mean, it was a solid goal. Congratulations. Thank you very much for talking to us. Yeah, it's always my pleasure.
Indeed, we are Prosper Nate OGUM coach for Asante Kotoko, and then Karim Zito, coach for team my friend said Dreams FC no among some and you're breaking that down Eddie Amam na yan twaso na yamfa and somehow don't trust dia Oko Abdul Aziz Isa ono a player Eddie my team my friend said Dreams FC ono an a board the all gone and so Eddie my club friend said Dreams na a free kick baby boy that I just a boy no and so it me peja bonnet to net name and so opanyini sadie no all practice and so when fan say a training grounds and I said sade na e matala kwa bi na sa wosun mutimi ekoboy asa na o try hwe no so da bi wono won try hwe ne mom da bi ada na wotai enso etimi areheze on training grounds wa yenkotie boy I fan say Abdul Aziz Isa man of the match for Dreams FC.
First of all, madam, I say give me the everybody the him say Kotoko the obo home the easy. See, madam teammate I say madam ama we know abele de me don't be ase on my support you nia.
I'm so asemo. Money be down. No ni so be show ta bo be sha na say we matra makwa bi na bam.
Oh, idea me yes me try it to me idea me we can last game against Swatre Benin the same thing. Idea me try yes me try it to.
Say we ya peja mo fi ase o abani nkaka de na oka ache fans no mo start times asani akọ.
We make us mo keep supporting mo so bien you so the mo so mo keep supporting. Next match against Olympics. Yeah, so mo say yes am mo be the
yede awon semina enso etima na uram awetima ya fane sa Asante Kotoko de se nima ekoso no ano den na wonu se Kotoko fans no enso etima attack opanyina fane sa Prosper Nate OGUM om say opanyina bae no wapam players nyina enso etima to new ones aba na new ones no to mo de bae nema enso enkoye na chese opanyina ose empanifosum etimi sakina ne monim ya chisa de on hwa na wodi ye nepa na etimi abra crowd fans Asante Kotoko yentie fans reaction after the game against Dreams FC. Wow, the way a game across between Asante Kotoko and Dreams FC at once in the Sports Stadium. Asante Kotoko and also by 1 goal to 0, and also the goal was scored by Boya.